Hello guys, in this video I am going to be showing you how you can make your own thumbnail in just 3 steps. So before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel because we have all the YouTube related content on our channel. So let's get started. So the first thing is uh, you have to go in the description and click on the link which says thumbnail maker, and you'll come on this page. If you haven't signed in, I will recommend you to sign in because it has 1,000 of templates over here. So this is the one which we are going to be using in this video as I've shown you. So now the first step starts. The first step is getting the template which we got by clicking on the description. Then the second step is getting your own photo like this. Now you will be saying, how did you erase the background of this image? So for this, just click on the second link which says remove background, and it will come on a page like this. Now from here, choose your photo. And it will be get erased automatically. Now download your photo and then come to uploads, upload an image to computer, and then you can just upload the photo over here which you erased just now by clicking on the second link. So after having your photo, you just need to click on your photo and select it and take it in the middle like this. Select the text which is in the background, here Winter Remix 2020. Take it up, set the position to middle. Now come on and click here, and you just have to type thumbnail or the topic of your video. You have to type it. Now you have to adjust the size of the text, and yes, this is how you set the text. Now after clicking on the text, you can change the font by clicking over here. Let's go with League Spartan. No, it's very big, so we'll use the Open Sans extra bold. Now here you can add this kind of text. Now this thumbnails doesn't make any sense, so what you can do is you can again add a text by clicking on the text, add text. Now you can click how to make and select the color as white, and here you can set it up like this. So this was the second step, and now it's nearly complete, but it looks just plain. So you can add, in the third step you can add step, and in the final step what you have to do is you can upload the icon of your channel by uh, just clicking on your icon and uploading it from the files of your computer, and you can set it up here. But if you don't have a PNG format of this, you can just, and you have this kind of thing, so you can go in the second link, sorry, which says remove background, and then you will see a screen like this. You can upload image, and you can upload your icon over here. Now you can see this was the person which we took in a thumbnail, and now it gets erased, and you can download it from here and place it over here. And so this was the first part of how to create thumbnails. If you like this design, then do like and stay tuned, because I'm going to be uploading another version of how to make thumbnails in kind of 1 or 2 weeks. Now you have done making your thumbnail. Now how to download it? Just click on the download option and download. And we are finished.